You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the name of this delicious cheese. By the way, if you want to learn more cheese names that are absolutely confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, in British English, the way it's usually pronounced in the UK is as cheddar, alright? Cheddar. The R is not really pronounced. No pronunciation is kind of silent in British English, and it's an sound, alright? It's a schwa, not an a. So it's not cheddar. Some may say it as cheddar. It's generally cheddar. Now, the American English pronunciation is quite different. It's pronounced cheddar. Cheddar. The Americans definitely pronounce the R cheddar in the US pronunciation. Or how to pronounce cheddar. How do you pronounce it and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Is it a good cheese? Let us know too. Cheddar cheese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.